So you can start up the car. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use these pads to reset the maze, like this: up, down, left, right, and this one's for back. And the middle piece, is gonna be enter. So we're gonna go back up to the screen. And push back or left. So you look at the screen, you see that right now you at the compass music. So just keep pushing to the right until you get to here for setting. You go down. Just keep going down into you see vehicle setting. Push enter. Go down. Enter. Then go down. Then enter. Then go up and enter. And that's it.